everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making this easy and healthy breakfast recipe with semolina. It's called Rava Upma. So for this you'll need 1 onion, a handful of curry leaves, 2 to 3 dry red chilies. Here I've taken 1.5 cups of semolina, 2 small carrots, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt, and around 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So here I'm finely chopping up both the onions and the carrots in a chopper so that it's finely chopped. Now in a vessel, add a little bit of oil, and once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start to splutter, add a handful of curry leaves and 2 to 3 dry red chilies. And saute for a minute or so and add 1 chopped onion to it. Saute the onions till they are soft and translucent. So if you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So now moving on with the recipe. When the onions are well sauteed, add the carrots to it and mix well. Now add some salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add 1.5 cups of semolina and mix well till it's well combined. For 1.5 cups of semolina, I've taken 3 cups of water. So now I'm adding 3 cups of water into it. Mix well and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, cover it and cook it on a very low heat for around 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, you can open the lid and you can see that it's well cooked. Mix it and you can serve it warm with some pickle or some papad. If you like this recipe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and do check out other recipes that I've uploaded on my channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.